Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're exploring one of Sydney's most inspiring cultural landmarks, the Museum of Contemporary Art, Australia, or MCA. Whether you're into art or just looking for a cool spot to visit, this place is a must-see. The Museum of Contemporary Art, Australia, or MCA, is located in one of the most iconic and picturesque spots in Sydney, Circular Quay. This area is the heart of Sydney's waterfront and one of the city's most vibrant cultural hubs. As you approach the museum, you'll find it standing proudly right on the edge of Sydney Harbour. On one side, you have the world-famous Sydney Opera House with its gleaming white sails, and on the other, the towering Sydney Harbour Bridge, two of the most recognizable landmarks in Australia. The MCA sits perfectly between them, offering a front-row view of the harbour that's simply breathtaking. Circular Quay itself is a lively area filled with energy. Ferries coming and going, street performers entertaining visitors, and locals relaxing along the waterfront. From here, it's incredibly easy to reach the museum. You can walk straight from the Circular Quay train station or hop off a ferry and be right at the entrance within minutes. For anyone visiting Sydney, the MCA is one of the most accessible art museums in the entire city. The building faces the water, so as you stand outside, you can feel the cool sea breeze and hear the sounds of the harbour, the soft waves, the calls of seagulls, and the distant hum of boats crossing the bay. The sunlight reflects off the water, casting a beautiful shimmer on the museum's facade, especially in the late afternoon when the whole area glows with a golden hue. From the upper levels of the museum, you can see sweeping panoramic views of Sydney Harbour, the Opera House, the Harbour Bridge, and even the skyline beyond. It's not just a location, it's an experience that blends art, architecture, and nature in one unforgettable setting. Whether you arrive by ferry, train, or on foot, visiting the MCA at Circular Quay gives you that classic Sydney moment, a perfect mix of creativity, culture, and the beauty of the harbour. The Museum of Contemporary Art, Australia, often called the MCA, is a place dedicated entirely to celebrating the art of our time, art that's being created right now by living artists. Unlike traditional museums that focus on historical collections, the MCA shines a light on contemporary creativity, innovation, and the voices shaping the modern world. The museum was officially opened in 1991 and has since become one of Australia's leading institutions for contemporary art. Its mission is simple but powerful: to make contemporary art accessible to everyone. Whether you're a lifelong art lover or someone stepping into a gallery for the first time, the MCA is designed to inspire curiosity and spark conversation. Inside its walls, the museum houses thousands of works of art, paintings, sculptures, photography, film, installations, and digital media. Every piece reflects the thoughts, emotions, and challenges of the time we live in. The art you'll see here doesn't just decorate the walls, it tells stories about people, culture, politics, the environment, and the human experience itself. One of the things that makes the MCA so special is its focus on Australian artists. It gives a platform to both established and emerging creators from across the country. The museum also places a strong emphasis on Aboriginal and Torres Strait Islander artists, showcasing their incredible contributions to contemporary art and culture. Their works often explore identity, land, memory, and connection, giving visitors a deeper understanding of Australia's rich and complex heritage. But the MCA isn't only about exhibitions. It's also a space for dialogue, education, and experimentation. The museum regularly hosts talks, film screenings, workshops, and live performances. It encourages people to engage with art in new ways, to think, to question, and to see the world differently. At its core, the MCA is more than just a museum. It's a creative meeting point, a bridge between artists and the public, where ideas come alive and art becomes a conversation. So when you step into the Museum of Contemporary Art, Australia, you're not just looking at art, you're stepping into the stories, emotions, and ideas that define our time. The Museum of Contemporary Art, Australia, is as much a piece of art as the works it displays inside. The building itself tells a story, one of transformation, heritage, and modern creativity. The site was home to the Maritime Services Board building. Completed in 1952, it was a solid, sandstone structure in the Art Deco style, designed to serve as the administrative center for Sydney's busy harbour operations. Its strong, symmetrical lines and understated elegance reflected the optimism and confidence of post-war Australia. When the building was transformed into the Museum of Contemporary Art in the early 1990s, architects faced a unique challenge: how to preserve its historic character while creating a space that felt open, modern, and alive with creativity. The result is a stunning fusion of old and new design. The original sandstone facade still faces the harbour, standing proudly as a reminder of Sydney's architectural past. Attached to it is a striking modern extension, a geometric structure made of glass, steel, and white concrete. This addition, completed in 2012 as part of a major redevelopment, was designed by Australian architect Sam Marshall. The contrast between the classic sandstone and the sleek new design is bold yet harmonious. It symbolizes exactly what the MCA stands for: respect for tradition, but always looking forward to the future. As you move through the building, you can feel this blend of history and innovation in every detail. The galleries are open and filled with natural light, allowing art to breathe and space to flow. The staircases twist and rise elegantly between floors, offering glimpses of the harbor through large windows. The rooftop area, where the MCA Cafe is located, opens up to panoramic views of Sydney Harbour, the Opera House, the Harbour Bridge, and the endless blue of the water beyond. It's one of the most breathtaking spots in the entire city. Every corner of the MCA building feels intentional. It's not just a container for art, it's a living part of the artistic experience. The way light shifts across the walls, the way the harbor reflects in the windows, even the way the architecture frames the skyline, all of it creates a connection between art, space, and the world outside. The Museum of Contemporary Art isn't just a gallery. It's an architectural dialogue between the past and the present, between Sydney's working harbor roots and its modern, creative soul. Stepping inside the Museum of Contemporary Art, Australia feels like entering a world of imagination, emotion, and bold creativity. The atmosphere changes the moment you walk through the doors. It's calm but alive, open but full of surprises. The bright white walls and wide spaces create the perfect backdrop for art that challenges, questions, and inspires. Each floor of the MCA offers a different experience. As you move from gallery to gallery, you'll find yourself surrounded by a constantly changing mix of mediums: colorful abstract paintings, immersive installations, experimental video art, and striking sculptures that seem to defy gravity. No two visits ever feel the same, because the museum's exhibitions rotate regularly, showcasing both new and established artists from around the world. In some rooms, the art stretches from floor to ceiling, transforming the entire space into a living environment. You might walk into a darkened room filled with glowing projections and sound, or find yourself standing before a massive wall of color that feels almost alive. Every piece has its own rhythm, its own energy. The museum also makes great use of natural light. Huge windows frame views of Sydney Harbour, blending the art inside with the beauty outside. You might catch yourself pausing between exhibits just to look out at the Opera House, the ferries gliding across the water, and the endless blue sky. It's as if the museum itself is in conversation with the landscape. What's especially interesting about the MCA is how approachable it feels. There's no sense of pressure to understand the art in any specific way. Instead, it invites you to react, to think, to feel, and to interpret things in your own personal way. You might laugh, you might question, you might even feel a bit confused, and that's part of the experience. Some exhibitions include interactive or sensory elements that encourage you to get involved. It's not uncommon to see visitors sitting on the floor sketching, kids exploring hands-on installations, or people quietly recording their thoughts after seeing something that moved them. Every space inside the museum feels designed to make art a living, breathing experience, something you don't just look at, but actually feel connected to. Whether you spend 10 minutes or an entire afternoon, the galleries of the MCA leave you with something to think about long after you leave. One of the most powerful and important aspects of the Museum of Contemporary Art Australia is its dedication to Aboriginal and Torres Strait Islander art. This focus isn't just a small part of the museum, it's at the heart of what the MCA represents: a deep respect for the First Nations peoples of Australia, their culture, their stories, and their ongoing creative expression. As you explore the galleries, you'll encounter artworks that speak to thousands of years of history, as well as the challenges and triumphs of the present day. These works are not just visual pieces, they are living stories, carrying memory, identity, and connection to country. Many of the Indigenous artists showcased at the MCA use traditional symbols, patterns, and materials in completely new and innovative ways. You might see paintings inspired by ancient dreaming stories, intricate works representing land and water pathways, or large-scale installations that use light, sound, and film to express the relationship between people and place. The museum's collection includes works by some of Australia's most respected Indigenous artists, such as Emily King, Vernon Key, and Judy Watson, among many others. Their art challenges viewers to think deeply about what it means to belong to land, to culture, and to history. Each piece is a voice, and together, they form a chorus that speaks across generations. The themes are diverse, from environmental care and political resistance to family, spirituality, and survival. Some works are bold and direct, confronting issues like colonization and cultural loss. Others are quiet and meditative, filled with beauty and reverence. The MCA also runs special exhibitions and programs through its Indigenous initiatives, giving emerging artists the opportunity to share their work on a national stage. These programs help bridge the gap between traditional storytelling and contemporary artistic expression, showing that Indigenous art is not a thing of the past. It is dynamic, evolving, and very much alive. Walking through these galleries, you can feel the emotional weight and power of the artworks. It's a reminder that contemporary indigenous art is more than creativity, it's resilience, identity, and truth made visible. At the Museum of Contemporary Art, indigenous art is not separated or confined, it's woven throughout the museum, reminding every visitor that Australia's oldest living cultures continue to shape its newest artistic expressions. Beyond its deep connection to Australian and indigenous art, the Museum of Contemporary Art Australia also has a strong international presence. It regularly hosts exhibitions from artists across the globe, bringing together creative voices from every corner of the world. These international exhibitions are one of the reasons the MCA feels so alive and ever. Each year, the museum partners with major institutions, curators, and independent artists to present shows that explore global ideas, everything from technology and climate change to identity, politics, and the digital age. Walking through an international exhibition at the MCA is like stepping into a conversation between cultures. You might see a video installation from Japan exploring the intersection of nature and artificial intelligence, followed by a European artist's commentary on migration, or a South American sculptor transforming everyday objects into surreal, thought-provoking symbols. The diversity of these exhibitions keeps the museum fresh and dynamic. Every time you visit, there's something new to discover, a different perspective, a new story, or an unexpected emotion. The works challenge you to think beyond national borders and see how art connects people across geography, language, and culture. These international collaborations also give Australian audiences a chance to experience global art movements without leaving Sydney. And at the same time, they allow international visitors to see how Australia fits into the broader creative landscape of the world. The MCA's curators take pride in selecting exhibitions that spark conversation and push boundaries. The goal isn't just to show beautiful art, it's to question, to provoke, and to inspire. The museum becomes a meeting place for ideas, where the local and the global merge through the power of artistic expression. Every international exhibition at the MCA feels like a small world in itself, immersive, bold, and alive with meaning. It reminds visitors that art has no borders, and creativity speaks a language that everyone can understand. The Museum of Contemporary Art Australia isn't just a place to look at art, it's a place to experience it. One of the museum's most welcoming qualities is how interactive and family-friendly it is. Whether you're an art enthusiast, a parent with kids, or someone exploring creativity for the first time, the MCA has something for everyone. From the moment you walk in, you'll notice how open and inviting the atmosphere feels. There's no sense of formality or restriction. Instead, the museum encourages exploration, curiosity, and play. Visitors are free to move around at their own pace, engage with the artworks, and even participate in creative activities. One of the highlights is the MCA's Creative Studios, spaces designed for experiences where visitors of all ages can create their own art. Inspired by the exhibitions, these areas often include drawing stations, digital art tools, and materials for building and experimenting. It's not about making something perfect, it's about expressing yourself and connecting with the creative process. The museum also offers regular workshops and family programs throughout the year. These sessions might involve storytelling, guided art-making activities, or sensory-friendly experiences for children and visitors with special needs. The goal is to make art accessible and enjoyable for everyone, no matter their age or background. Interactive installations are another feature that sets the MCA apart. Some exhibits are designed to be touched, walked through, or even listened to, turning the viewer into an active participant rather than a passive observer. You might step into a room that reacts to your movements with light and sound, or encounter an artwork that invites you to leave your own mark as part of the piece. There's also a strong educational focus. School groups often visit the museum, and the MCA's learning programs help students explore art in ways that connect to their own ideas and experiences. These programs inspire young people to think creatively, and express their perspectives through art. What's truly special about the MCA is how it removes the barriers that sometimes make museums feel intimidating. Instead, it creates a warm and welcoming environment where everyone from toddlers to grandparents can feel included in the world of contemporary art. It's a place that reminds us that creativity isn't reserved for artists alone, it belongs to everyone. After exploring the galleries and immersing yourself in the world of art, one of the best ways to end your visit is by heading up to the MCA Cafe, a spot that's just as breathtaking as the exhibitions themselves. Located on the rooftop of the Museum of Contemporary Art, the cafe offers one of the most spectacular views in all of Sydney. As you step onto the terrace, you're greeted by a sweeping panorama of Sydney Harbour. To your left, the Opera House stands proud with its shining white sails. To your right, the Sydney Harbour Bridge stretches gracefully across the water. Below, ferries glide in and out of Circular Quay, leaving trails of ripples behind them. It's the kind of view that feels almost unreal, a perfect combination of art, architecture, and nature. Many visitors say that even if you didn't step into the galleries, the view from the MCA Cafe alone would make the trip worthwhile. The cafe itself has a calm, modern vibe, bright, spacious, and filled with natural light. You can sit indoors or out on the open terrace, where the sea breeze carries the scent of the ocean and the sounds of the harbor fill the air. It's the perfect place to relax, reflect, and take in everything you've just experienced inside the museum. The menu features fresh Australian dishes, delicious coffee, and a selection of light meals and desserts. Whether you're stopping by for breakfast, lunch, or just a coffee break, it's easy to lose track of time as you sit and watch the city move around you. From the terrace, you can see artists sketching the skyline, tourists taking photos, and locals simply enjoying a quiet moment. It's a space that captures the spirit of Sydney, creative, relaxed, and full of life. The MCA Cafe is more than just a place to eat. It's part of the museum's experience, a moment to pause and let art, nature, and the city come together in one unforgettable view. When you visit the MCA, make sure you give yourself time to come up here, take a seat, sip a coffee, and let the harbor remind you why Sydney is one of the most beautiful cities in the world. The Museum of Contemporary Art Australia isn't just a building filled with art. It's a living, breathing space where creativity, culture, and community come together. Every corner of the museum invites you to see the world in a new way, to think differently, and to feel more deeply. From its stunning location on Circular Quay, surrounded by the sparkling waters of Sydney Harbour, to its beautifully designed blend of old and new architecture, the MCA stands as a symbol of modern Australia, open, diverse, and full of imagination. Inside, you find stories told through color, sound, light, and movement. The galleries celebrate the voices of today's artists, Australian and international, Indigenous and contemporary, each one offering a unique perspective on life, society, and the changing world around us. It's not just a museum for experts or art lovers. It's a space for everyone, families, students, travelers, locals, anyone curious enough to step inside and explore. The MCA makes art accessible, welcoming, and alive. It invites you not only to look at art, but to experience it, to question it, and to connect with it. And when you finish your visit and step out onto the rooftop cafe terrace, gazing across the harbor at the Opera House and the Sydney Harbour Bridge, it feels like the perfect ending to the journey, art and life blending seamlessly together. Perhaps that's what makes the Museum of Contemporary Art so special. It reminds us that creativity is everywhere.